Hello everyone, happy Christmas today. Today we are going to laminate iPhone XR touch glass with OC and then laminate with LCD. First we align the OC. When we align the OC just along this direction. And now we align the touch glass because this glass already clean, so no need to clean. When you align the glass, first clean it. This direction. We change the language into English first. This now is also manual mode. Now automatic mode. We choose the flat OC pressure. And now we start it. Now we take out the touch glass with OC lamination wheel. Because this is with flex, this flex is well, so we take out. We can click it to take out the rubber with it. You can see there is no bubble. And let's see the alignment. It is location very precise. Now we are going to laminate the iPhone XR TP with the LCD. First, we locate the LCD first. When we align the LCD this direction, just like the OC alignment.
先擦干净吗？
放这里可以擦。Alignment well. And then we clean the LCD. And when locate the LCD, please see these flags. Must be in the same level as the mold, this part. And now we peel the protection film of the TP glass with OC lamination. Align the glass in this direction first. Put in the mold machine. Now we change the pressure in the flex LCD. The pressure is set well already, and for our machine no need to change this time. This part, it can be for OC and also can be for LCD. Now click start. opacity was laminated well. We take out. You can see there is no bubble. And now we test the face the motherboard.
全部按1、2、3、4、5、6、7。
Okay, it was function well after lamination.